Have you ever wanted to own a model of one of the most modern and beautiful airliners flying today? If so, then this video might be perfect for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review one of the NG Models releases, the Japan Airlines Airbus A350-900 with the registration of Juliet Alpha 10 X-ray Juliet. Without further ado, let's open the box and take a closer look at this amazing model. And finally, here it is. As you can see, this is the box design of the model. It features a clean and premium design with an image of the aircraft in it. The box itself already gives a very professional first impression and perfectly represents the elegance of Japan Airlines. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we can find some things included by NG Models. First, there's a point card. It can be redeemed through the NG Models website for rewards and other items. And second is a silicone gel, which is used to absorb moisture inside the box and protect the model from humidity. Now, let's move into what we've all been waiting for. Here's the aircraft itself. Take off the aircraft safely. Now we can finally take a closer look at the model. Let's start review from the front section of the aircraft. The cockpit windows on this model are printed sharply and feature a realistic details like the A350's Zorro mask in real life. We can also see the other details such as the windshield wipers and a pitted tube, which in real life it is crucial to find the airspeed and other information to the pilots. Moving to the side of the aircraft, we can see the passenger doors, windows, cargo door, and the bold Japan Airlines logo. You can also see the One World Alliance logo on the left side of the aircraft. As for the NG models, they actually had a nice detail where there's both an antennas and SATCOM dome on top of the aircraft body. In the back side of the aircraft, we could see another cargo door and other details like the registration of Juliet Alpha 10 X-ray Juliet, a UNICEF logo, and also the aircraft type mark. Moving into the tail section, we can see the beautiful Japan Airlines Tsurumaru logo on the vertical stabilizer. The horizontal stabilizers and elevators are also accurately represented. And of course, the APU in the back, which is used to provide electrical power on the ground. Looking at the wings, NG Models has included impressive details such as flap track fairings, a wall away lines, and also boat flag and registration of the aircraft. The wings also feature the distinctive curved Airbus A350 winglets, which contribute to the aircraft's excellent fuel efficiency in real life. The engines are equally impressive. These are Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, one of the most advanced and efficient commercial aircraft engines currently in service. NG Models has done an excellent job replicating the fan blades and engine details on it. One of the things I like here is that the landing gears are also rollable, allowing the model to move smoothly across a flat surface. And this is what the aircraft model looks like when it is compared to a Boeing 737 model. Now let's talk a little bit about the real aircraft. According to planespotters.net, Juliet Alpha 10 X-ray Juliet is an Airbus A350-900 operated by Japan Airlines that is delivered in August 2021. Meanwhile, the Airbus A350 itself is one of the newest generation wide-body aircraft designed for long-haul operations, featuring advanced aerodynamics, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced passenger comfort. The A350 has become a key part of Japan Airlines fleet and is used on both domestic and international routes. It is highly regarded for its quiet cabin, modern technology, and excellent reliability. As for this NG model's release, I think it is definitely worth adding to any collection. The model offers excellent print quality, sharp details, accurate proportions, and a beautiful representation of one of the world's most modern airliners. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.